Guten Morgen aus Mexiko. Es ist noch dunkel hier. It's still dark here. Dunkel. Aber ich musste schon aufstehen, um euch etwas Wichtiges zu sagen. I already had to get up to tell you something important. Und zwar geht am Montag unsere 10 Wochen Challenge los. On Monday our 10-week challenge starts. Und du kannst dich noch bis Sonntag einschreiben. You can still enroll until Sunday. Ungefähr 200 von euch haben sich schon eingeschrieben. About 200 of you already enrolled. Also herzlich willkommen. Welcome. If you still want to enroll, don't forget to use the coupon code Anja15, so you get 15% off. Alright? So, und ihr habt uns ziemlich viele Fragen per E-Mail und in den Kommentaren geschickt und die möchte ich in diesem Video beantworten. In this video, I just want to answer all the questions you send us by email and in the comments and so on. Alles klar? Los geht's. Erste Frage. Kann ich mich jetzt einschreiben, aber später anfangen? Can I enroll now, but start later? Yes, you can. So it's a 10-week challenge. We are trying to get as many people as started on Monday. But if you don't have time right now or whatever, just let us know. We can start the challenge later for you. Yeah? And also always remember you got lifetime access. So anytime you want to come back, you can just continue. And so no worries about that. We make it a 10-week challenge so you stay motivated. Yeah? So dass du motiviert bist. But in general, it's just lifetime access, so anytime you want to come back to the course, you can. Alles klar? Which level is this course for? So this initial release is just for Season 1, yeah? Season 1, Staffel 1. So basically, that's beginner's level. It's like A1 and a bit of A2. So, but the thing is, even if you're an advanced student, in this course, there's still a lot of useful chunks. Because we, like chunks is word combinations, yeah, phrases. So, and lots of useful vocabulary and dialogues and so on. So basically you learn all the foundations and lots of travel vocabulary. And you learn about everyday situations like ordering in a restaurant, talking to your neighbor, then having a party in German. We even have, what else do we have here? Also on the page, yeah, with all the details, the link is in the description. There you also see the full course curriculum. So for example, what else do we have? We have buying clothes in German, cooking in German, sightseeing in a city, buying food in German, talking about your day in German, things like this. So we have all of these things. Check out the link in the description to see the full course curriculum, all right? And also, if you want to even buy all the other seasons, which are already in post-production, we already filmed them. So if you want to get like Season 2 and Season 3 and so on, you can upgrade after checkout and you get a huge discount for those, yeah? So always for additional levels, you get a huge discount from us. In general, yeah? Wie viel Zeit pro Tag brauche ich? How much time per day do I need for this challenge? In case you're a bit busy, so usually in the last challenges, we noticed when people spend about 30 to 60 minutes per day just listening to the dialogues, for example, we also have all downloadable MP3s, yeah, and watching the videos, then about 30 minutes, you can watch them a few times, yeah. Maybe even less. If you just watch them a few times, they're only 2 to 3 minutes long, yeah? 2 bis 3 Minuten. If you want to do all the exercises and read the grammar explanations and do the flashcards and so on, then you need maybe an hour per day. Ja, 1 Stunde pro Tag. Kann ich den Kurs ausprobieren? Can I try the course? So can I try it first? So basically yes, because we got a 30-day money-back guarantee. Wir haben eine 30-Tage-Geld-Zurück-Garantie. So basically you can just enroll, check it out, see if you like it. If not, within 30 days we refund your money. Noch eine Frage, die wir bekommen haben, ist der Kurs flexibel? Ja, is the course flexible? And yes. So in the beginning now, when you do the challenge basically, you get 6 video lessons per week. Yeah? 6 videos pro Woche. So, and afterwards, as I said before, you have lifetime access, so you can access the course anytime. Also, if you want to start later, you can let us know. If you want to pause it, you can also let us know. We can do all these things for you. You always just have to send us an email. We can also restart it for you, the challenge. Yeah, this is also a possibility. And the good thing is it's all online. Es ist alles online. Yeah, it's all online, so you don't have to go anywhere. You can also download the material material and the MP3, so you can also listen on the go. Yeah, you can train in the gym or wherever, and there you can listen to it as well. And the good thing is also you can access the course from your phone. So when you just go to in the browser, basically, to our academy and to the course, you can get all the content there. And also our flashcards are also accessible. There is an app, and you can also play with them on your phone. So yes, I would say it is very flexible. And last question, what method do you use in the course? Welche Methode benutzt ihr in dem Kurs? Fun, natural, smart. So we made sure that the course is really fun and there are entertaining dialogues, entertaining videos. It's visually cool. We have cool characters. Then natural means that it's very natürlich, ja, sehr natürlich. So it's just real life conversation. There is nothing like fake. It's not like a textbook, like the way in textbooks sometimes people don't talk like that. It's just real life conversations between people. Yeah? And the last one is smart. This is because we use a method called chunking. So we teach you with chunks. These are word combinations, and you basically observe native speakers, pick out these chunks, and we also do it for you. So in the script, they're always highlighted in German and English, and also in the flashcards, we teach you with these chunks. And this is basically the best and most efficient way I know to learn German, because with chunking, you don't have to translate in your head all the time, but rather you focus on these chunks, and this way you learn the grammar automatically. Because if you just focus on singular words and grammar rules, you just feel like, ah, damn it, I'm never going to get it. It's going to be really hard to actually start speaking. But when you use the chunking method, it's just much easier to start speaking. Just the link is in the description if you want to read all the details. They're all there. There's also lots of FAQ. And there's also a chat box where you can message us if you have even more questions. Just let us know, yeah? And at checkout, don't forget to use the coupon code Anja15 to get 15% off. Ja, ich hoffe, dich in unserer Challenge noch zu sehen. I hope to still see you in our challenge. Wie ich gesagt habe, du kannst dich noch bis Sonntag einschreiben. As I said, you can still enroll until Sunday. Alles klar? Wow, guck mal, jetzt geht die Sonne auf. Now the sun is rising. Die Sonne geht auf. Ja, the sun goes up. Hoffentlich geht auch bald die Sonne für dein Deutschlernen auf. Hopefully the sun also rises soon for your German studies. Tschüss.